and then share screen step by step, right? Okay, cool. First we need to create an app. I'm gonna create an app. Let's call it whatever it book demo HighSierra, right? And it's public, created, and as well this one as well. I'm gonna create a new one. Book demo HighSierra, create the app. So I'm gonna copy this one, and this is the project we were working on. Yep. So everything is fine. I'm gonna close out server. This status. There's no thing, so I'm gonna do git init. Before I do git init, I obviously have to create a ignore file. In here, I'm gonna ignore .env and also node modules. Tools, right? So we have two files that we ignore. So git add, git commit, deploy. Right. Git. I'm gonna add the remote here. Right. So we have everything. We also need to add the Heroku remote. So now I'm gonna head to Heroku, copy this link, add the remote, Heroku remote, right? And in here, obviously, oh shit, we want to use the cloud server, the cloud's database. We don't want to use the local database, so we have to do something else. We need to create a new resource here. Type in MongoDB. So you have an option. For example, here you can choose MLAB to create our database. Yeah. So we will create our database on MLAB. So you can click on free here, click provisions, and right. So we should have something here. I tag it as MongoDB, and this app as MongoDB. Yes. Now, if you take a look at your setting, click the settings, right? Scroll down a bit and review the config. So you will have something called MongoDB URI, and this is the value. So basically, this is the string here, right? So now you have two options. You either change your code. To instead of DB local, you have to change it to MongoDB URI, or you can create another. I'm gonna copy this. You just create another key called DB local. Is correct? DB local, yes, and then you pass the value in there. So you have another key with the same value, right? Yeah, that's it. And then you can save it and just push git push Heroku master, just like that. It's so simple. Obviously you can choose other cloud service, but with MLAB you just the server, the database server and the Heroku server here will be hosted in the same like node or the same location, so there's no latency between the server and the database. I think it's better than using the Atlas. So now we can test our application. Wait, I need to open my app here, so I have the link, right? Something wrong with that. Haha. You need to check. Error. Let's see what's wrong when we deploy. App crash. Why? We missed the strip style. Obviously, yes, I forgot it. So I did everything manually, so we need to add the script start here. I forgot. So this script is gonna run node and app.js. Right, I'm gonna save it. Git status, only change one file, yes. I add commit again. Let's say adding script start, then git push Heroku master. Right, why is a so if you notice here, actually on Heroku they use a Node version 12 something, right? You have to there are some case that you run into problems if the Node version doesn't match, but not here. This app is so simple, you won't run into that problem. Right, deploy successfully deployed, so now you can check your app. Right, that means it's okay. So you can copy this link, you go to Postman, you create another variable environment, add a new one, and you paste it. Oops, sorry. This one is gonna book demo, Heroku, and URL initial value is this. I think we need to remove this one. Right, let's edit. Nice. So I'm gonna test my application here. I'm gonna create a user, choose book demo, and create a new user called Quad2. Send it. Nice. We actually received the information. Why did I use Quad2? This is a new database. There should be no Quad. There's no existing user. I will show you. Yes, you actually can see the list of journals here. That should be empty. Also the list of user authors, that should be empty as well. So that means our database is like brand new. There's nothing in it except the user that I just registered. Right, so we successfully deployed our application, and our database is hosted on MLAB. And if you decide to check it, click on this. Yeah, so here's a link to your database, I guess. Or if you want to manually access to your database, you can also copy the link here and then paste it into your compass. It also work. Right, so that's it. I'm gonna end this here. I want to make short. Okay, see you guys. And it's